Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic that has the potential to change your financial future. Making $10,000 from zero in 2025. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to boost your income, this journey is not only possible but also incredibly rewarding. In this video we'll outline 3 essential steps that can guide you toward achieving financial success. So, grab a notebook and get ready to take action. First, let's talk about the importance of setting clear goals. Financial independence is more than just a number. It's about creating a life where you have the freedom to make choices without being held back by money. By aiming to make $10,000, you're not just chasing a figure, you're paving the way for future growth and opportunities. This goal can serve as a stepping stone to even greater financial achievements, so keep your eyes on the prize. Now, onto the 3 steps that will help you reach that $10,000 mark. The first step is to identify your skills and passions. What are you good at? What do you love doing? By leveraging your unique talents, you can create income streams that not only bring in money but also fulfill you personally. Whether it's freelancing, starting a small business, or offering a service, aligning your work with your passions will keep you motivated and engaged. The second step is to develop a solid plan. This means setting a timeline and breaking down your goal into manageable tasks. For instance, if you want to make $10,000 in a year, how much do you need to earn each month? Create a budget, track your expenses, and find ways to cut costs. This planning phase is crucial because it transforms your dream into a tangible roadmap. Remember, every small step counts and consistency is key. Finally, the third step is to take action and stay committed. This is where the magic happens. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Network with others, seek mentorship, and continuously educate yourself. The more you invest in your personal growth, the more opportunities will come your way. In conclusion, making $10,000 from zero in 2025 is not just a dream. It's an achievable goal. By setting clear objectives, creating a plan, and taking consistent action, you can unlock the door to financial independence and a brighter future. So, are you ready to take the first step? Let's make it happen together. Step 1. Identify your skills and passion. Welcome back. Now that we've set the stage for making $10,000 from zero in 2025, it's time to dive into the first crucial step: identifying your skills and passions. This step is all about self-discovery and understanding what you bring to the table. So let's get started. First and foremost, take a moment for some self-reflection. Grab a journal or open a notes app and jot down your unique talents and interests. What activities make you lose track of time? What do people often compliment you on? This could be anything from writing, graphic design, cooking, or even organizing events. The key is to recognize what you genuinely enjoy doing, as this will not only keep you motivated but also make your work feel less like a chore. Once you have a list of your skills and passions, it's time to research the market demand for those specific talents. Understanding what people are looking for can help you pinpoint opportunities for monetization. Use online tools like Google Trends, social media platforms, or freelance websites to see what skills are in demand. For example, if you're a talented graphic designer, check out platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to see how others are offering similar services and what clients are willing to pay. This research will give you valuable insights into how you can position yourself in the market. Now, let's explore some examples of skills that can be turned into profitable ventures. If you have a knack for writing, consider freelance writing or starting a blog. Many businesses are looking for content creators to help them engage their audience. If you're skilled in photography, you could offer portrait sessions or sell your images online. For those who love cooking, think about starting a meal prep service or offering cooking classes. Even skills like social media management or digital marketing can be monetized, as businesses increasingly seek to enhance their online presence. Remember, the goal here is to find a sweet spot where your passions align with market demand. By identifying your skills and interests, you're laying the foundation for a successful venture that not only generates income but also brings you joy. So, take the time to reflect, research, and explore the possibilities. Your unique talents could be the key to unlocking your financial success in 2025. Stay tuned for the next step, where we'll discuss how to create a solid plan to turn your skills into income. Step 2. Create a business plan. Welcome back. Now that you've identified your skills and passions, it's time to take the next crucial step in your journey to making $10,000 from zero in 2025. Creating a solid business plan. A well-thought-out business plan is essential for success, as it serves as your roadmap, guiding you through the ups and downs of entrepreneurship. Let's break down why this is so important and what key components you should include. First, a business plan helps you clarify your goals and strategies. What do you want to achieve? Are you aiming for a specific income level, or do you want to build a brand? Clearly defining your objectives will give you direction and purpose. Outline your short-term and long-term goals, and think about the strategies you'll use to reach them. This could involve marketing tactics, customer engagement strategies, or even partnerships with other businesses. Having a clear vision will keep you focused and motivated as you work toward your financial target. Next, let's talk about the importance of financial projections and budgeting. This is where many aspiring entrepreneurs stumble, but it's crucial to understand the financial side of your business. Start by estimating your startup costs, ongoing expenses, and potential revenue. Create a budget that outlines how much you need to spend and how much you expect to earn. Financial projections will not only help you manage your cash flow but also allow you to make informed decisions about scaling your business. Remember, it's better to be realistic and conservative in your estimates than overly optimistic. Another vital aspect of your business plan is the need for adaptability. The market is constantly changing, and what works today may not work tomorrow. Encourage yourself to seek feedback from customers and peers, and be open to adjusting your plan based on their insights. This could mean tweaking your product offerings, changing your marketing approach, or even pivoting your business model entirely. Flexibility is key to staying relevant and competitive in your industry. In summary, creating a solid business plan is a foundational step in your journey to financial success. By outlining your goals and strategies, establishing financial projections, and remaining adaptable to market feedback, you'll set yourself up for a thriving venture. So, take the time to craft a comprehensive business plan that reflects your vision and prepares you for the road ahead. In the next step, we'll discuss how to take action and implement your plan effectively. Stay tuned. Step 3. Leverage online platforms. Welcome back. Now that you've identified your skills and created a solid business plan, it's time to explore the exciting world of online platforms to drive your business growth. In today's digital age, leveraging these platforms can significantly enhance your reach and help you connect with potential customers. Let's dive into some popular options and how you can use them effectively. First up, let's talk about platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and YouTube. If you're looking to sell handmade products, vintage items, or crafts, Etsy is a fantastic marketplace that caters specifically to creative entrepreneurs. It allows you to showcase your unique products to a global audience. On the other hand, if you're interested in e-commerce and want to sell a wider range of products, Shopify is an excellent choice. This platform provides you with the tools to create your own online store, manage inventory, and process payments seamlessly. Lastly, if you have a talent for creating engaging video content, YouTube can be a powerful platform for monetizing your skills. Whether you're offering tutorials, product reviews, or entertainment, building a YouTube channel can help you reach a vast audience and generate income through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Now, while these platforms are essential for selling your products or services, it's equally important to harness the power of social media marketing. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok can help you reach a wider audience and build a community around your brand. Share engaging content that showcases your products, tells your story, and connects with your audience on a personal level. Use eye-catching visuals, behind-the-scenes glimpses, and customer testimonials to create a compelling narrative that resonates with potential buyers. Remember, social media is not just about promoting your products. It's about building relationships and fostering a loyal customer base. Engagement is key in this process. Encourage your audience to provide feedback on your products or services. Ask questions, run polls, and create opportunities for interaction. This not only helps you understand what your customers want but also shows that you value their opinions. Use their feedback to improve your offerings and adapt your strategies accordingly. Engaging with your audience can lead to valuable insights that drive your business forward. In conclusion, leveraging online platforms is a game changer for your business growth. By utilizing marketplaces like Etsy and Shopify, creating engaging content on YouTube, and harnessing the power of social media marketing, you can expand your reach and connect with your target audience. Remember to engage with your customers for feedback and improvement, as this will help you refine your offerings and build a successful brand. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll discuss how to take action and implement your strategies effectively. Conclusion. Thank you for joining us on this journey toward making $10,000 from zero in 2025. As we wrap up, let's recap the 3 essential steps we've discussed that can set you on the path to financial success. First, we talked about the importance of identifying your skills and passions. By taking the time to reflect on what you enjoy and what you're good at, you can uncover unique talents that can be monetized. Remember, aligning your work with your interests not only keeps you motivated but also increases your chances of success. Next, we delved into the significance of creating a solid business plan. This plan serves as your roadmap, outlining your goals, strategies, and financial projections. A well-structured business plan helps you stay focused and organized, ensuring that you're making informed decisions as you navigate your entrepreneurial journey. Don't forget to remain adaptable and open to feedback, as this will allow you to refine your approach and stay relevant in a changing market. Finally, we explored how to leverage online platforms for business growth. Whether you choose to sell on Etsy, create an online store with Shopify, or build a YouTube channel, these platforms can significantly expand your reach. Coupled with effective social media marketing, you can engage with a wider audience and build a loyal customer base. Remember, engagement is key. Interact with your audience, seek their feedback, and use their insights to improve your offerings. As we conclude, it's essential to emphasize the importance of taking action and staying committed. The journey to financial independence requires dedication and perseverance. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Take that first step today. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Hit that like button to show your support, and share this video with friends or family who might benefit from these insights. Together, we can create a community of motivated individuals striving for financial success. Thank you for watching, and remember, your journey to making $10,000 from zero starts now. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies that will help you achieve your goals.